Secura SWK-1701DB, the original stainless steel double-wall electric water kettle 1.8 quart. The original stainless steel double-wall electric kettle. This hot water electric kettle comes with 100% stainless steel interior. Stainless steel pot, stainless steel lid, stainless steel spout, stainless steel rim. No plastic in contact with hot water. Safe, healthy drinking water. BPA-Free Cool Touch Exterior, no scalding hazard, saves energy and safe to use. 1.7-liter 1.8 quart capacity, ideal as an electric tea kettle. Double wall construction boils water quicker and keeps warm longer. British Strix control inside, Outlast Other Water Kettle. TWO, 2-year warranty. 120 V 60 Hz, 1500 W heating power, ETL Approved Product. Dimension 10.24 x 5.51 x 6.29. Dimension 10.24 x 5.51 x 6.29. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.